Hi, it's Chris with WTI. I got this Logitech G432 wired gaming headset to use mainly while I'm on Zoom video conferencing. It connects to my PC via this USB A connector. I like that it has this secondary volume control at the side of the left speaker. These comfy leatherette pads on the headpiece, as well as the two speakers themselves, these two leatherette pads on the speakers, also offer a good feature to these headsets. When I'm working on my computer, I sometimes play background music on them through streaming sites that I'm subscribed to. I have Xbox set up on my network and sometimes stream video games to my PC. The fact that these headphones are 7.1 surround sound compatible definitely enhances my gaming experience. Another thing I like about this headset is the flip to mute mic option, which is convenient when someone interrupts you while you're in a video conference meeting, for example, and wants to talk. Here's what happens. You just flip the mic up like so, and it mutes your voice. Pretty handy, eh? I am very happy with the performance of these headphones. And if you get one, I think you will be too. But that's just my point of view.